Hey guys, it's Alternate Tech Guy. On this video, I'll show you how to download and install VirtualBox and its extension pack on Windows. So first of all, we need to download VirtualBox. So open your browser, write Oracle VirtualBox, go to virtualbox.org, and on the left hand side there's a field called Downloads. Go to Downloads. Choose Windows Hosts option, click on it, and save file. I'm gonna save it under Downloads, click on Save. And you need to do one more thing. You need to download extension pack for VirtualBox. It's crucial for the complete functionality of your VirtualBox, support for USB to USB 3 devices and other things. So click on unsupported platforms, click on OK, and save it. So it may take some time to your download completed, so just pause the video and come after. So now downloads are completed. Navigate where you save your downloads. Mine is under downloads, so I'm going to click on downloads, choose VirtualBox, right click on it, and run as an administrator. If it prompts you if you allow this or not, click yes. Click on next. It will install some features for you. Click on next. Create a shortcut on desktop. Create a start menu entries. Click on next. And it says it will reset your network interface. It's okay. Click on next and install it. We need to wait until it's completed. So now click on finish. It will automatically open VirtualBox for us. So here it is, completely installed. Now we need to install VirtualBox Extension Pack on VirtualBox. So now click on File on the top left hand corner of the VirtualBox, then click on Preferences, click on Extensions, and there is a green plus button. Click on that, choose Oracle VM VirtualBox Extension Pack, click on Open. It says make sure that you download it from the trustful source, which you did. Click on Install. Read the agreement. If you agree, click on I agree. It's installing and it's okay. Click on OK. So here it is, completely installed. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.